Hi, I'm Julia. I'll show you how to find and follow the biggest voices in any niche using Circleboom's Find Influencers feature. First, open Circleboom, click the search icon in the sidebar, and select Find Influencers under X account, search on bio, and profile. Then, type your keyword into the search field, in this case, crypto. If you want, you can search other keywords too, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any coin or topic you're focused on. Circleboom searches names, bios, and tweets, and by default includes high, mid, and low engagement influencers. So leave all three checked to get the full picture. After that, click search. Circleboom returns every influencer tier account associated with that keyword. In this case, 8,783 profiles, already filtered down to accounts that meet real follower and engagement thresholds. Then click filter options if you want to narrow things down to more niche accounts. Once you're happy with the list, select the accounts you want, or use the master checkbox to grab everyone on the page at once. Then click follow. Circleboom asks you to confirm how many profiles you're about to follow. So click follow selected profiles to start following the top voices in your niche in one go. That's it. Quick, clean, and done. Happy Circlebooming!